What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. For those of you who don't know, my name is Chris Moore, and in today's video we got a brand spanking new 2022 Hayabusa with 0 miles on the clock. Yeah, that's right, guys. Brand spanking new bike. You can see never been ridden before. We are going to do some modifications to this thing. We have got a few goodies from Brock's Performance picked out. We're going to be installing this stuff. We're going to be going over what kind of differences this stuff makes. We're going to do a little before and after sound test, and then we're going to take it out in the parking lot, ride it a little bit, and show you how this thing sounds in a, I guess you would say, real world environment. Stay with us, guys. Here we go. So as you can see, brand spanking new Hayabusa, 0 miles on the clock. Actually, I was wrong, 1 mile on the clock. There it is, fired up, stock exhaust, stock configuration. Engine's cold right now, we'll let it warm up just a second. But you can kind of hear how quiet this thing is. Literally makes 0 noise. Who would ever think one of the fastest production bikes in the world sounds like a vacuum cleaner? Couple little baby revs, a little noise, let it get a little more heat in the engine. This customer has chosen the Brock's Performance Penta Carbon exhaust. You can see here, polished stainless steel, the red logo plate, and then he's got the candy red carbon fiber tip. So if you see that just right in the light there, this thing has a red tint to the carbon fiber. You can see there we're getting a lot of light. Looks super good. Gonna go really well with in the light with the red on the bike. We don't really have enough light to make it brighten up there under that circumstance, but Sprint F185 air filter, best air filter on the market right there. The Brock's kickstand, fully adjustable lowering links, and then we're gonna do a front end tie down strap. This kickstand here is going to give us the ability to lower the bike and still keep our bike, I guess you would say, the factory normal ride height on the kickstand. Not ride height, but lean angle. We're going to take care of all that stuff in today's video. Let's get us some better revs. Not really what you want. Anyways, we're gonna take this thing apart. We're gonna get some noise out of it. We're gonna have it fired up here in just a minute so you can see what it sounds like. Alright guys, it's a new day. We're back on the Busa project. We're getting a few things done this morning. We got ECU flashes in progress. Magic Mike is working on a project ZX14 we got going on over here. We're doing the air shifter kit installation on this thing. We just got this road race prep GSXR 600 all back running. That bike was a wiring nightmare. We put a new wiring harness, new starter, all kind of new stuff on it. And Magic Mike has got his bag of wiring supplies out, his heat gun out, heat shrinking all the wires. Everything on this thing is going to look like it came from the factory with an air shifter. Now let's get back to our project Busa, see how this thing is coming. should be coming along pretty good. Hey guys, while we're on the way over here, just keep in mind, Valentine's Day is coming up. You know, we gotta get on that booty duty. But hey, Valentine's Day, you gotta get something too. Make sure you tell your woman we got a Valentine's Day sale going on right now. Tell her you want a Moore Mafia hoodie for Valentine's Day. Comes with 2 free stickers, and a keychain for Valentine's Day special. Yeah, that's right, guys. Get your woman to hook you up. Send her to mooremafia.com. The Busa is Dazzling Drew. I know you gonna get some booty. I know Dazzling Drew gonna get a hoodie for Valentine's Day. So anyways, the Busa, we got it all lowered up. We got the exhaust on. We got the straps installed. For those of you who do not know, the front end retention straps, what these do, this bolts to the brake caliper brackets, or the brackets bolt to the brake calipers. Then this strap runs over the top of the frame. You can see here, under all your cables and stuff. And then you can compress the front forks. This is just a normal tie-down strap, buckle. And then when you pull this down, you're gonna compress. Let me show you how to do it. Let me show you how it works. This thing, pretty handy, pretty easy, and 100% reversible. Basically, you just squeeze the front brake, push on the front forks, and boom. Now we just lowered this Hayabusa about 1 inch in the front. You can see what it did was compress the front forks. Now, no, you don't want to leave it strapped down 24/7 as tight as you can get it all the time. But just to snug it up, 1 inch, see how it knocked that gap down on that front end? Looks way, way better, a lot more aggressive looking. And if you're gonna go over a speed bump in a parking lot, load it on a trailer, ride it for a long period of time, literally just push the button, boom, you got your 1 inch back, all back to stock, 100% completely safe and sound. Bobby, is it ready to fire up? Start this thing up, see what it sounds like. Cold start on a Busa with the exhaust system. Way, way better. Now we have a real Hayabusa, not a Hayabusa with a vacuum cleaner. We have to remove the radiator. I hope you can hear me. We had to remove the radiator in order to put the exhaust on, but that keeps all the fins nice and neat on this brand new bike. This thing sounds super good. We're gonna get it buttoned up, get it outside. It's raining today. We'll make something happen. We'll get it where you can hear it good outside in just a second. All right, guys, I'm gonna show you a quick rundown of some of the hoodies we got. You can see we got tons of merch. We got the OD green and gray with black writing. We've got, this is the one I've got on today. The heather gray, darker, heather gray, black writing. But we got all kinds of shapes and sizes. The black with camo, this is a good looking hoodie here as well. The Melania yellow, more green. These are t-shirts, black and yellow. Pablo and Ralphie in the house. The tie-dye Moore Mafia shirt, green, blue, Mamba shirts. We have tons of shirts available. These are brand new. These just came white with the Moore Mafia down the side. So these are something new we come up with. We've even got a few big boy sizes. 4X is the biggest hoodies we got. These are the Black Mamba hoodies. There's only a couple of these left, guys. Literally what you see is what I have in the Black Mamba stuff. Finally, the bike is finished up, well, sort of. You can see on this side she's finished. On this side, not so much. We hadn't put the fairings on. We are waiting on some electric connectors for our O2 harness that we make here. So we actually have a harness that converts the two O2 sensors that the 2022 Hayabusas have into the one O2 sensor bung that the Brock Performance exhaust has. We've got an adapter kit for that, but we're waiting on connectors to make those. So anyways, we had to leave the fairings off, but overall this bike is all finished up and looking super, super good. Comment in the comments below. Let me know what you think about the look of this matte silver. Also, we've got another one that just came in. This is a brand new white one. This bike has 50 miles on it. Pretty much getting the same thing. Comment and let me know, do you like build videos like this? Where we do the build videos on brand spanking new bikes? Do you like to see and enjoy the content like this? Or would you rather just stick to the racing and the dynos and the other fun stuff? All right, let's fire this thing up. We'll let it warm up a second. We'll also fire up the stock one over there too, so you can hear it run side by side with this one. This one has 53 miles on it. You can't hear anything. Poor little baby Busa. So good. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, click the bell for notifications, go check out mooremafia.com. You see I'm wearing the all new Melania yellow hoodie. That's because it's 40 degrees outside. Hopefully it'll be warmer soon, and until the meantime, pick up some new gear, some new merch. We got a Valentine's Day sale going on from now until Valentine's Day. Tell your girl about it, guys. We need stuff for Valentine's Day, too. We got a special going right now. Hit us up, mooremafia.com. Smash the like button. As always, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.